Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove your cameos on Snapchat. So firstly, open up your Snapchat. Then I will quickly go to my chats. Now I will just simply open up a chat. So now what you have to do is click on the smiley icon right beside the mic option. Then click the third option from the bottom left corner, which is a star with a person. In this you will find all of the cameos that has my face. So now there are two options in which you can remove your cameo. From them, the first option is just simply hold a cameo, then click on new selfie, and then just simply take a selfie, and that should change your cameo. But if you want to completely remove your cameo, what you have to do is simply click on your profile, go to the settings icon at the top right corner, then click on cameos. Now just simply click on clean my cameo selfie, then clear, and that will remove your entire cameo. So in order to again access your cameos, you need to retake your selfie because it has been removed from everywhere. So if I again go back to the chat, the smiley icon, then the third option. So as you can see from all of them, my cameo has been removed. And now if I ever want to add a cameo, I will just click on it, and then I will just take a simple selfie, and that's it. Your cameo will be added again. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.